Exercise 12.1, question number 4.
Yes, the first one.
सर मोटा है पेन
Sir, वहाँ size से.
Question number 4, first part. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 8 raised to power, evaluate first. Evaluate 8 raised to power minus 1 multiplied 5 raised to power 3
8 minus 1.
and 2 raised to power
minus
minus 4. Evaluate these questions.
सर पहले ऊपर वाले को हम क्या कहते
पहले
हैं?
को सर
My.
Yes, please tell me. How can we solve these questions? Any idea?
Yes, sir.
सर 8
Yes. So we will convert this exponent into positive.
Okay, yes, sit down. First of all, we will convert the negative exponent into
Positive exponent.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How can we convert negative exponent into positive exponent? Listen to me. Listen to me. A raised to power minus x is equal to 1 upon a raised to power x. Reciprocal of it. Convert the negative exponent into positive exponent. Okay?
यस
Yes. Now 8 raised to power minus 1. 1 by 8. Okay, yes, very good. And 2 raised to power minus 4, 2 raised to power 4, and 8 raised to power 1, and 5 raised to power 3. Am I right or wrong?
यस
Right, sir.
Reciprocal of this 1 by 8. It becomes, ठीक है? And reciprocal of this,
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो ये क्या है? ये आपके पास क्या है? न्यूमरेटर में है, इसको डिनोमिनेटर में ले आएंगे. ये आपके पास डिनोमिनेटर में, ये न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? इसकी जो एक्सपोनेंट है वो चेंज हो जाएगी. नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट विल चेंज इनटू. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, yes. Now 2 raised to power 4 and 2 raised to power 4, 5 raised to power 3, and 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay?
यस सर
Any doubt, any problem?
No,
नो
sir.
सर
Yes. Now 2 raised to power 4, 5 raised to power 3, 2 into 2 into 2.
Eight.
It can be 2 raised to power 3.
Yes, sir. 2 cube.
Yes. A raised to power x divided by a raised to power y. A raised to power x minus y. Okay.
Sir, divide होगा. Sir, 2 raised to power 1 हो जाएगा.
थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दीजिए. यस सर.
Sir, 2 raised to the
Yes.
power 1 हो जाएगा.
2 raised to power
One.
4 minus 3
Yes, sir. 1.
and 5 raised to power 3.
Three.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
4 minus 3,
1.
2 raised to power 1.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Into 5.
5 raised to power 3. Yes.
Yes.
5 raised to power 3. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5.
125
5 5s are
10, 25.
125
5 5s are 25. And 25 5s are
125
125.
Yes, sir.
And 125 2s are 250.
250
Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
याद हो जाएगी. इसके पास तो है.
Do it fast. Question number 4, second part. Five raised to power minus 1.
Multiply 2 raised to power minus 1.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Multiply 6 raised to power minus 1.
6 raised to power.
Minus 9.
Minus 1.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
क्या करें?
yes, sir. Minus 1
minus
plus
into
minus 1.
positive.
Sir, क्योंकि multiply होगा.
First of all, we will convert the negative exponent into
Positive exponent.
exponent. Very good.
मैंने नहीं बोला ये बोल रहे बोलो
A raised to power minus x is equal to 1
by
upon A raised to power x. Okay.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 raised to power minus 1 can be written as.
1 by 5.
so 1 raised to the power 5 1 by 5 शुरू कर
Listen. 5 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 5.
Yes, sir.
2 raised to power minus 1 can be written as.
1 by 2.
1 by 5 1 by 2 सर
1 by 2.
2 raised to power 1 करेंगे तो.
तो वही बात वही होगी
And 1 upon 6 raised to power 1. Okay. One upon 5 raised to power 1. 1 upon 5.
yes sir
And 2 raised to power 1.
1 upon 2.
And it becomes 1 upon
6.
6. Okay. 5 to ja
10.
1 upon 10.
Into 1
And
upon
it is 1 upon 6.
1 upon 6.
Okay.
1 upon 16
10 6 ja
16.
1 by 16.
yes 1 by 6
Any doubt in problem?
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, at 12 and 2.
Yes. 5 raised to power m. Question number 5. 5 raised to power m divided by
5 raised to power minus 3.
minus 3 is equal to
5 is the 5
5 raised to power.
5
5.
5.
इसका आंसर मैं बताऊं तो 5 is to the minus 2
Okay, yes.
तो क्या था
These are same. Exponent and different. They are divided. So
Minus
laws of exponent will be used. A raised to power x divided by a raised to power y is equal to a raised to power x minus
Minus
y.
5.
Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
5 raised to power m minus minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. Minus minus
Plus.
5 raised to power m plus 3. 5 raised to power 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If base are equal, then exponent will be equal. Base are equal, then exponent will be equal. If base are equal,
Exponents.
if base are equal, then exponent will be equal. And will be equal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now m plus 3. M plus 3 is equal to 5. Now the value of m is 5 minus 3 and m is equal to 2. M is equal to
2.
now m is equal to 2.
सब हरा के आ चुके हैं।
Do it. Question number 6, first part. Evaluate.
yes sir
1 upon 3 raised to power
Minus 1.
minus 1
Plus 1 upon 4.
minus
1 upon 4.
1 upon 4 raised to power minus 1.
Bracket.
Bracket close raised to power minus 1. Okay. First of all, we will convert the negative exponent into positive exponent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now use the law of exponent. A raised to power minus x 1 upon a raised to power x. 1 upon 3 raised to power minus 1.
3 by
3 upon 1 raised to power 1. 3 by 1.
3 upon 1 raised to power
1.
1 minus 1 by 4 raised to power minus 1. It becomes 4 by 1
Raised to power 1.
and exponent convert into positive exponent.
One थोड़ी ना convert होगा।
That is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सब बाहर वालों में
3 by 1 3.
3
minus 4 raised to power minus 1. Okay, minus 1 raised to power minus 1. Minus 1 reciprocal of minus 1 upon 1
minus 1, 5.
okay, it becomes minus 1. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Do it fast.
Both are done, sir.
Question number 6, second part. 5 upon 8 raised to power
Minus 7.
क्या देख रहे हैं?
minus 7
Yes, sir.
multiplied 8 raised to power 8 by 5
Minus 4. Raised to power minus 4.
listen to me. Yeah, 5 by 8, 8 by 5. First of all, we'll make the base same.
Base same.
Base same.
उल्टा कर
5 by 8, इसको 5 by 8 रहने देते हैं, and we will make the reciprocal of 8 by 5.
Yes, sir.
And reciprocal of 8 by 5 is 5 by 8,
Yes, sir.
and exponent will convert into positive.
Positive.
Okay, yes.
Yes. Sir, pencil लिखते पर नहीं लिखते लिखता हूँ.
Yes.
Yes.
5 by 8 raised to power
8.
minus 7. And reciprocal of 8 by 5.
5 by 8.
5 by 8.
Raised to the power 4.
And exponent is converted into positive. If base are same, exponent are different, and they are multiplied, then
Plus.
exponent will be
Plus.
added.
Added.
A raised to power x multiplied a raised to power y, a raised to power x plus y. Okay. Now 5 by 8 minus 7 plus 4.
Cyber Monday.
5 by 8 raised to power.
Minus 9.
Yes, sir.
Now we will convert the negative exponent into positive exponent.
8 by 5.
Reciprocal of 5 by 8.
8 by 5.
8 by 5 cube.
Yes. 8 by 5 reciprocal of 5 by 8, 8 by 5, and negative exponent convert into
Yes, sir.
okay, evaluate. 8 by 5 can be written as 3 times. Why? Because exponent is 3. So 8 by 5 multiplied 8 by 5 multiplied 8 by 5. Okay. 8 is a 64 into 8. 5 has a 25 into 5. Okay. 8 4 is a
So 512.
32. 512.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any problems? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Everybody repeat.
Question number 7, first part.
हमारी इज्जत है. Yes, sir.
25 into
T raised to minus 4.
T to minus 4.
5 raised to minus 3.
5 raised to power
Minus 3.
5 minus 3.
Into 10.
Into 10
Into 10.
Into 10.
Into T raised to
Second
minus
power
4.
minus 8.
Raised to the power minus
t
8.
raised to power.
Minus 8.
Okay, yes.
Yes, sir.
Break the 25. 5 into 5.
Yes, sir.
T raised to power minus 4. And it is 5 raised to power minus 3.
Yes, sir.
5 into 2. And t raised to power
Minus 8.
minus 8. Okay. अब देखो यार.
सर हम T से T को करते हैं.
Listen. 5 raised to power 2. T raised to power minus 4. If base are same, exponent are different, they are divided, so exponent will be added. Minus 3 plus 1.
तरफ हो जाओ
और सर तो क्या किया
ऐसा आदमी है यार
सर इसका कैसे किया
Listen to me. 5 raised to power 2 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. T raised to power minus 4 into 2 and t raised to power minus 8. Okay. अब यहाँ पे क्या है a raised to power x divided by a raised to power y. Base are same. Exponent are different. They are divided a raised to power x minus 1. Okay. Now 5 raised to power 2 minus 2 and t raised to power minus 4 minus 8 divided by 2. 5 raised to power minus plus 2 and t raised to power minus 4 minus plus 8 divided by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
सर थोड़ा सा
5 raised to power 4
Yes, sir.
t raised to power minus 4 plus 8 4 and divided by 2. 5 raised to power 4 625 by 2 and t raised to power 4. ये आंसर. This is the final answer. Note down it.
की वैल्यू क्या है